Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Firstly, you need to open an app called Files. Then select Clean section at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, to confirm your choice, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!